How to enable Gemini on Google Maps 2026. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to enable and use Gemini AI on Google Maps in 2026. If you have been hearing about all the new AI features on Google Maps, and you are wondering how to turn them on and start using them, I am going to walk you through every step right now. So first, let me quickly explain what Gemini on Google Maps actually is. Google brought together its most capable Gemini models with Google Maps, transforming exploration into a simple conversation and making driving more intuitive than ever. There are two major Gemini features you need to know about. The first is Ask Maps, a new conversational experience that answers complex real-world questions a map could never answer before. The second is Immersive Navigation, which Google says is the biggest update to driving in Google Maps in over a decade. Both of these are powered by Gemini and both are free to use. Now let me show you how to enable and access each one, starting with Ask Maps. To use this feature, update Google Maps and log into a Google account. Enabling location permissions can help the system give more accurate results. Go to the App Store on iPhone or the Google Play Store on Android, search for Google Maps, and make sure you have the latest version installed. The feature will only work if the user is logged in, so make sure you are signed into your Google account inside the app. Once you have the latest version, open Google Maps and click on the Ask Maps button present on the top left-hand side of the screen. Once you click on the button, a conversational-style interface will open. In the dialog box, write a detailed prompt and hit Enter. After you hit the Send button, Gemini will analyze the query and give the response in the next few seconds. From the responses themselves, you can bookmark or get directions to the mentioned places. You can ask things like, where can I find a quiet restaurant with outdoor seating for a group of 4 tonight, or plan me a road trip from San Francisco to Los Angeles with kid-friendly stops. Under the hood, Ask Maps uses Google Gemini, and it analyzes billions of data points from user reviews and uploaded photos, synthesizing all records to give you the best possible answer. Ask Maps also personalizes its answers using signals including places a user has searched for or saved to their account. Ask Maps has started rolling out in the United States and India on Android and iOS devices. Google says desktop support will arrive later. If these features are not visible on your screen, try restarting the app or checking for updates, because the rollout is gradual and may take some time to reach all users. Now for Gemini in navigation mode, which is the hands-free voice assistant you can use while driving, walking, or cycling. Here is how to enable it. Gemini must be running on your phone via the Gemini mobile app. So if you do not have the Gemini app installed, go download it first from your App Store. Once you are in navigation mode in Google Maps, you can activate the assistant by saying, "Hey Google," or by tapping the Gemini icon on the screen. Hey Google and voice match must be enabled, as they are linked to voice recognition, which is powered by Gemini. Once Gemini is active during navigation, you can ask it all kinds of things hands-free. You can ask about places along your route, get estimated arrival times, report traffic disruptions, and more. You can simply say, "I see an accident," or "looks like there is flooding ahead," to report disruptions instantly. It is even simpler to find places along your route, check for available EV chargers, or on Android share your ETA with friends. Now for immersive navigation, this enables automatically once you start navigating in supported areas. There is a 3D view that displays buildings, overpasses, and terrain, and Google Maps will highlight important road details like lanes, crosswalks, traffic lights, and stop signs when providing directions. A toggle in the settings is planned to return to the classic 2D view when energy needs to be saved. Note that immersive navigation requires an active connection, because the three-dimensional rendering is streamed from Google servers based on GPS position. Traditional offline maps remain available in the 2D view, but without the new 3D features and without Ask Maps. Here is your pro tip. Before you rely on Gemini features while on the road, it is a good idea to test it for a minute at home. This way you will be sure that the response is quick, the microphone is working properly, and you can use voice commands without wasting time while driving. Also make sure the Google account signed into the Gemini app is the same one signed into Google Maps, otherwise the features will not connect properly. Quick recap. Update your Google Maps app to the latest version. Make sure you are signed into your Google account. Tap the Ask Maps button to start chatting with Gemini for personalized place recommendations. Install the Gemini mobile app and enable Hey Google and Voice Match to use Gemini hands-free during navigation. And enjoy immersive navigation with its 3D views and landmark-based directions automatically in supported areas. That is everything you need to get Gemini running on Google Maps in 2026. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Drop a comment below and let me know which Gemini feature you are most excited about. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.